Hi guys, this is Nagababu Medicharla and welcome to Reinvent 2023 Update Series. Let's quickly discuss the updates of day 4. On day 4, we had the keynote session by Dr. Vogels, Vice President and CTO of Amazon.com. Vogels, known for his captivating introductory videos, pulled off a memorable scene reminiscent of the Matrix, engaging in a conversation with the architect character. The scenario highlighted a complex system issue where incorporating a new service demanded additional hardware. Vogels pitched the idea of cloud migration, showcasing its substantial advantages. Injecting a moment of levity, he handed the architect a book titled The Frugal Architect, concluding the scene with a playful refusal to grant free credits as requested by the architect. There are seven simple laws under three phases for building cost aware, sustainable, and modern architectures, and they are design, measure, and optimize. The first law in the design phase is make cost a non functional requirement. A non functional requirement specifies criteria that can be used to judge the operation of a system rather than specific features or functions. Examples are accessibility, availability, scalability, security, portability, maintainability, and compliance. What often goes overlooked is cost and sustainability. The second law in the design phase is systems that last align cost to business. The durability of a system depends on how well its costs are aligned to the business model. When designing and building systems, we must consider the revenue sources and profit levers. It's important to find the dimension you are going to make money over, then make sure the architecture follows the money. The third law in the design phase is architecting is a series of trade offs. In architecture, every decision comes with a trade off. Cost, resilience, and performance are non functional requirements that are often at tension with each other. As the saying says, everything fails all the time. Being able to defend against failure means investing in resilience, but performance may pay the price. The first law in the measure phase is unobserved systems leads to unknown costs. Without careful observation and measurement, the true costs of operating a system remain invisible. The adage warns if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Tracking utilization, spending, errors, and more is crucial for cost management. The second law in the measure phase is cost aware architectures implement cost controls. The essence of frugal architecture is robust monitoring combined with the ability to optimize costs. Well designed systems allow you to take action on opportunities for improvement. For this to work, decompose applications into tunable building blocks. The first law in the optimize phase is cost optimization is incremental. The pursuit of cost efficiency is an ongoing journey. Even after deployment, we must revisit systems to incrementally improve optimization. Second law in the optimize phase is unchallenged success leads to assumptions. When software teams achieve significant success without facing major failures or roadblocks, complacency can set in. This is a dangerous tendency to become overconfident in the methods, tools, and practices that led to those wins. Vogels introduced a couple of new launches, and the first one among them was AWS My Applications. My Applications is a new feature in the AWS Management Console that provides a centralized view of your AWS applications. It allows you to monitor the cost, health, security posture, and performance of your applications in one place. You can also use My Applications to manage your applications and troubleshoot issues. The second launch was Amazon CloudWatch Application Signals. Amazon CloudWatch Application Signals helps you automatically instrument applications based on best practices for application performance. There is no manual effort, no custom code, and no custom dashboards. You get a pre-built standardized dashboard showing the most important metrics such as volume of requests, availability, latency, and more for the performance of your applications. The third launch was Amazon SageMaker Studio Code Editor. The new SageMaker Studio web-based interface loads faster and provide consistent access to your preferred integrated development environment and SageMaker resources and tooling irrespective of your IDE choice. In addition to Jupyter Lab and RStudio, SageMaker now includes a fully managed code editor based on Visual Studio Code open source. The fourth launch was AWS Application Composer in Visual Studio Code. AWS Application Composer for the AWS Toolkit for Visual Studio Code allows you to visually design applications through an interactive canvas. You can also use Application Composer to visualize and modify AWS CloudFormation and serverless application model templates. Fifth launch was Amazon Inspector CI/CD container scanning. Amazon Inspector CI/CD container scanning enhances the container image security integrated with developer tools. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps. Stay tuned for more updates of day 5.